black cheese.
Now you mix that all together?
We mix it all together, and then we put a little of the diced onion in there.
So that cornbread thing's sort of a binder in it, huh?
Exactly. It makes kind of a binder. And then some of the cheese. And then we do a little of my special seasoning, and I can't tell you what's in that, otherwise
I can tell you were keeping secrets from me.
Yeah, otherwise I can't let you off the set. And then we
Your
have some
husband's
of the
standing right over there, so I can't, you know, I can't
you can't get
coerce
past him. And then you just kind of mix it all up. And once you mix it all up, I'm doing it kind of a quick way.
That's good.
But you take it, and you're going to put it right here on your spring roll wrapper, and you'll put it towards the edge. Now, my husband is the master spring roll wrapper, so I taught him.
He's the roller in the house.
He's the roller.
Okay.
I taught him, but he perfected it.
Okay.
So you take it towards the edge.
With the point in.
With the point in.
So I would have messed that up right away.
And then you just kind of get it started with the roll.
Mm-hmm.
And now these sat on the board while we were waiting.
You got to watch that they dry out.
They can't dry out.
Right.
And then some folks like to use like an egg wash, but we use just a little bit of water, and you just tuck and roll. This one's actually turned into a potato chip because it sat there.
But it's hanging in there.
It's hanging in there.
Yeah, I always tell people, don't freak out, just keep going with
Exactly.
it. Yeah, so it's sort of like a mini burrito in a way.
Almost.
Yeah.
Or like the egg rolls that you get from the Chinese.
Yeah, but better.
Much better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, where do you do your cooking?
I do most of my cooking when I have a large event from the Cleveland Culinary Lounge and Kitchen over on 22nd.
Across from Cleveland State.
Across from Cleveland
A lot of good
State.
people in there.
Yeah. So when I have big events, I do my cooking there. If it's really small, I might do it on site at the venue.
Okay.
We're also going to do a seafood spring
You're so
roll.
calm.
That's what people tell me. My husband doesn't say the same thing sometimes.
Well, that's because you're shrieking at him.
But this is some lump.
Here he is.
He was recording everything, so I'm going to continue to record this for him if we're live on the air.
Are you working out or what? What's going on here?
No, I don't work out.
You don't work out?
That works me out.
You know, you're just all swollen up for nothing then, huh?
Yeah.
Look at you, man. You look good.
Rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is some fresh lump crab as well as some shrimp. And then this is some spinach, some fresh spinach. And then we do some fresh whole wheat bread. And then there's some mozzarella or Swiss cheese, whichever one you like. And then there's some diced onion that goes in this. And then there's a little bit of melted butter that goes in it as well. And more of my special seasoning.
I like that.
And then you wrap it the same as you did with the soul food.
So I would melt this butter and mix that in there too.
Exactly, because that's what's going to make this nice and moist.
So I heard you're the guy who perfected the rolling technique, huh? Where did you learn that?
She taught me, and I just perfected it with practice.
Okay. Hey, so now you told me you guys do some catering. So when you cook for catering, does he help?
He does. He's my right arm, as well as some of my friends. They work for food. Because we're a small business, so I feed them and they work hard.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting a phone call right now. We're being interrupted by a phone call. Whoever you are, we gotta ignore you.
So what's your website if we want to get a hold of you?
It's www.tastefullydonebyAnita.com.
Okay.
And if you go to the website, it links you right to my Facebook page. You can see a lot of the events that I've done, a lot of pictures and that on site. So.
What's the best thing you guys make?
Maybe the soul food spring rolls and the seafood spring rolls.
Yeah, we sell a lot of those. And he's an expert rib maker, so.
Yes.
You're the rib man.
I do the grilling and cooking on the grill.
You smoke them or grill them, or how do you do
grill them, and then we put them in the oven to tenderize them.
Great. What's our website again?
www.tastefullydonebyAnita.com.
Call him.
I just realized we have to do this whole segment over again. He was never recording this entire time.
Well, we'll do it
We're
another
gonna
time.
get you a copy.
When you come back, okay? And when we return, Natalie steps into the studio with an up-and-coming country singer, right?
Yes.